The policy of America support Israel 100%. And when he come to visit Israel, he come to support them and stand with them, and he sent to them plenty from the weapons and the tanks and the warplane now in the sea, in the border of Israel. They are waiting. He sent a big boat, Ronald Reagan, to support Israel. And the Palestinian people believe that we call the United States of America to stand by the side of justice only. Not, if the Israel killing 1,800 children, you know what's children? Children. And the President of America come to support Israel. For what? For killing my children? Or our women's? Or open the TV and look. Look how they are bombing all the house. From the father to the children, they killed them. So I did not believe that America will change this policy against this conflict. America will continue to support to Israel, and I think this is injustice. Thank you.
My name is Shamon Bakwa. I work with Merciful and RFI. I want to ask, the Hamas militia, are they Palestine? Are they your people? And whether or not the equation that it is the Hamas that have attacked the Israeli people, and that has resulted in the equation, what would you say to that?
Listen to me, my brother. I said in my speech, the conflict did not start when Hamas attacked the Israelis. This is long conflict between the Israelis and the Palestinian people. It started from 1948 and 1967 to now. My people suffering more than 75 years under the Israeli occupation. Why you like to talk about Hamas now? Why did not talk about the suffering for people living under apartheid system 75 years? So, me here, I am talking with all the Palestinian people, with the name of all the Palestinian people, all my people. Any children they killed him, I am feeling he is my children. When they killed a woman, I am feeling this is my wife or my mom. So, let's talk about what's happened to I like everything to be clear. You understand? I like everything to be clear very well. This conflict will not stop without Israel stopped its occupation to my people and leave our lands. We don't like the occupier. Without this, the conflict will continue. And the struggle of my people will continue too.
Hafiz TV, unique every day.